Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce our group. They are Leni, Hatimatul Husna, Rusmansyah, Muhammad Kusasi, and Syahmani. Today, I am going to present about development of book-based model problem-based learning to improve student learning outcome in oxidation, reduction, reaction material. Background, changing the word requires knowledge and ability. Such knowledge and abilities are acquired through education. So, teachers who play an important role as facilitator in learning must integrate their ability to utilize technology advanced to be used as an innovation in the learning process. In the learning process of teaching learning in schools, it is important that there is media as a learning process used by learners in the family and maintain the spirit of learning learners. In addition, the availability of teaching material that are only glued to package books and does not vary or not through and less attractive so that it will make learners feel bored and difficult in following the learning process. And chemistry lessons that are striking on concept and calculation are still considered difficult by learners. A material oxidation reduction reaction that deals with the concept of daily life so that the low learning outcome of time by learners. Improving good quality in the learning process is to find the right model, method, or medium to carry out the teaching and learning process. As previously described, it can be minimized with the help of learning media, namely models with problem-based learning models that can be studied by learning in the family in order to be able to fully understand the material. Problem-based learning model is a learning model that uses problem as a basis for learning material for students. In line with this, the role of teacher in the learning model is more instrumental as a guide and facilitator, so the student learn to think and solve their own problems. The use of teaching materials in the form of interesting models is able to increase the success of a learning process, especially the influence of technological developments. Then models are often developed in the form of models. Models can reduce the use of paper because models can be made using a variety of software without having to reduce its function as short of information, one of which is Playbook software, wherein is application using smartphone technology, laptop, and connected to the internet. Based on the exposure, research and interested in conducting research on the development of interactive learning multimedia, namely flipbook-based models with problem-based learning models to improve learning outcome in the oxidation, reduction, reaction material of class 10 school year LSMIN 12 Banjarmasin. Next research method, the development model use is ADI, development procedure is analysis, design, development, implementation, then evaluation. Data collection techniques are carried out through non-test instruments that include validations question, legibility question, response question, learners, the implementation of teacher learning using models, and the learning outcome of learning attitude. Then the text instrument in the form of multiple choice question, the make sure the learning outcome of learning knowledge given before and after treatment. And next, research and discussion result. As a feature, now percentage of value for the aspect of content of time, percentage value of 91%. Aspect of presentation value of 96%. Aspect of language of 95.7, and the media of 94.57. Next, based on feature and average score in the category very well, the assessment of the readability of the model is based on several things, that the model is able to trigger the interrelationship and involvement of students in learning, because it is designed attractively and simple. The delivery of the material not only relies on aspect of the text, but also is carried by multimedia components such as images, graphic videos, and animation, so that the learning process through the delivery of more interactive materials in interaction between student and teachers. Next, you try to be limited to knowing the versatility and effectiveness of playbook-based models based on feature of time and average score of category very well. The use of models is able to profit positive things the learners in helping the learning process against the flawed products such as a model by using Playbook software that facilitates the learning process with clear and easy to understand material. There are also videos that are very helpful, so that it is interesting to learning independently, but in the classroom and outside school. The result of the student response show that the interest of learners is very good to learn during the learning process, because in the learning process using the stage of or scene of problem-based learning models, so as to make learning happen more high interesting during learning using the right models and media will result in good skill and high motivation for students. Based on feature responsive to teacher teaching activities, using a model apply the average score criteria is very practice. At the time the teacher use model-based electronic media flipbook on the oxidation material using the step of the problem-based learning that is able to make learning learn independently. Based on figure above show that obtain a pretest value of 29.55 and a fastest average of 85.64. This is because the use of playbook-based models using the previously referred problem-based learning model, so that limited trial classes experience and integrate in learning outcome. Based on feature above are now aspect of curiosity and conversion of time executive score of 79.56 and 86.51. So it obtained at average score of 83.26 with every good category. This is certainly from the use of playbook-based models using the problem-based learning model with the role of teacher as facilitators who guide the learning process so that learning have good curiosity and cooperation. So, conclusion, playbook-based model using the problem-based learning model on oxidation reduction reaction material developed are valid for use in learning. Playbook-based model using the problem-based learning model on oxidation reduction reaction materials have met the practical category, and playbook-based model using the problem-based learning model on oxidation reduction reaction materials have meet the affect criteria due to an occurrence in learners outcomes in limited trial class. That was my presentation. I met a mistake. Sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.